representation as well, because at the end of the day, that right cannot be ignored.
Otherwise, what happens
It is not per se the right that we're looking at of a specific political party.
I bow.
It is the right of proportionality, which is the voters' right, and the right of bringing in these people who are not generally or do not easily come into the system.
So the voters have voted for independence. They have given them the authority to join a party. The independents have joined a party. Now the constitution allows that party to share in the reserved seats for women and for non-Muslims. And when they do that...
Suppose the independent join the party after, say, 2 months, 3 months,
then
5
will
months.
not share in the proportional
Just a minute. Whether that party will be entitled for the reserved seats?
No, 3 days. That's why the 3-day limit. That's the rule. That
Then
is the
you
rule.
can say it's a nonsensical rule.
Sir, I won't say that. It's the constitution.
आइन का मतलब ये है कि उसका हर अल्फाज
Yes,
की अहमियत
so,
है।
yes, so we're giving it.
अजीब सा रूल है, फिर आप ये भी कहते हैं।
नहीं सर, हम नहीं ये कहेंगे. They've given 3 days.
Raja Sahab, at least speaking for myself, I'm very confused. आप 2 स्टांस ले रहे हैं। एक स्टांस आप ये ले रहे हैं कि इलेक्शन कमीशन ने ग्रॉसली इस कोर्ट की जजमेंट को इंटरप्रेट किया गलत।
जी बिल्कुल।
आप एक स्टांस ये ले रहे हैं that you had to be treated as a political party. Now you are arguing that you contested the elections as independent.
That is my legal status.
So, एक second, learned counsel. Either say that the right is so valuable of the people, which has been violated because of the election commission's per incuriam order. Now that blemish, this court cannot carry with it for the in future that it was because of this court's judgment that they misinterpreted it and virtually, you see, disenfranchised the voters. Now you have to take one stance. You can't take both the stances.
भाई चले अगर उन्होंने मिसइंटरप्रेट कर लिया, आपने क्यों मिसइंटरप्रेट किया?
नहीं सर, they are
चले
the constitutional body.
आप तो नहीं मिसइंटरप्रेट
Sir, they are the
करते।
constitutional body charged with duty to interpret under
मान लीजिए
Article
उनकी
218 to pass any order. मैं अर्ज करूं sir, I am taking 2 positions. One is my express position that in law I was treated as an independent, therefore I had the right to join a party and to be granted or to elect reserved seats for women and non-Muslims. That is one position. But if my lords and my lady are willing to go beyond, pierce through the situation and say that this has all happened because of the actions of the election commission.
Okay, my lord, Justice Mansoor Ali Shah has correctly stated that we are here to protect the electorate.
I would
the
celebrate
voter.
that. So I am placing both positions before your lordship and my lady, your lordships. I endeavored to do that on my own. I did what I could, and yes, the appeal was not filed, chamber appeal was not filed, but now it is before your lordship to
उसमें भी
do.
फैक्ट्स, उसमें थोड़े से फैक्ट्स हैं समाज साहब, जो आपने डॉक्यूमेंट्स दिए, आपने इलेक्शन कमीशन के ऑर्डर को हाई कोर्ट में चैलेंज किया, हाई कोर्ट ने रिमांड कर दिया, आपने उस रिमांड ऑर्डर को चैलेंज किया, जबकि दूसरा ऑर्डर जो था इलेक्शन कमीशन का वो आपने कहीं भी चैलेंज नहीं किया।
अर्ज करूं।
ये बात तो मानने वाली है, poorly handled
नहीं,
by
नहीं, सर, आप समझ
and
लीजिए।
that is exactly what is being surfacing
सर, मैं अर्ज-
repeatedly. हम
मैं
आपको
अर्ज
कह रहे
करता
हैं
हूं,
कितना
सर।
important ये केस है,
मैं
लेकिन
अर्ज
आपने
करता हूं।
क्या किया?
नहीं सर, नहीं, मैं अर्ज करता हूं, मैं आई वाज फाइटिंग इट अलोन, मैं अब क्या आपको
नहीं, आपको तो नहीं
मैं
कह
अर्ज
रहे।
करता हूं, जो इलेक्शन कमीशन का ऑर्डर है बेस्ड ऑन द एक्सप्लेनेशन टू रूल 94, तो वो ठीक है। It is the vagaries of rule 94 which had to be challenged. That is,
You have not challenged that order of the election commission of
वो सर वो ऑर्डर तो जब तक एक्सप्लेनेशन रूल 94 की खड़ी हुई है वो दुरुस्त है. It is the explanation to rule 94 which had to be struck
Mr.
down.
Rajan, we've heard you. आपके कोई और
एक
argument?
मिनट सर, एक
ये
मिनट
तो आप रेपिटेशन आ रहे हैं।
सर मैं नहीं आ रहा, सवाल चूंकि आ रहे थे, मुझे जल्दी से लेट मी रन थ्रू 14 जजमेंट्स 190 सर आपको मैंने दे दिए, मैं कुछ नहीं करूंगा,
तो हम पढ़ लेंगे।
नहीं मैं अर्ज कर लूं,
नहीं, हम पढ़ लेंगे
सर, एक दो है
तीन मानिए पढ़ लेंगे।
सर, इट विल नॉट टेक मच टाइम एट ऑल, नॉट इवन 10 मिनट्स आई थिंक. ये मैंने आपको नोट
राजेश साहब आपका केस, राजेश साहब आपका
पॉइंट्स
केस
बताते
बता
रहे
दें।
किस पॉइंट पे हैं।
पॉइंट ये है,
राजेश साहब जो केस आपका मैं समझना चाहता हूँ, आपका केस जो मैं समझा हूँ, करेक्ट नहीं है आप चाहते हैं कि चूंकि आपने एक पार्टी से पीटीआई से अपना कैंडिडेट जमा किया था, आप पार्टी के रिजर्व सीट पे आपका नाम था, अब चूंकि सारे लोग सुन्नी इत्तेहाद में चले गए, आप हमसे मांगते हैं कि आप मुझे या सुन्नी इत्तेहाद के डिक्लेयर कर दो या पीटीआई के।
सर, हम उसलिए
यही मांग रहे हैं ना
जी, चूंकि जी।
चूंकि नहीं पहले
कोई
आए
और पार्टी
आप यही मांग
वो
रहे
भी कबूल है इसलिए।
ये तो उनकी मर्जी, आपको माने या ना माने।
तो मैं-
यही कि ऑलरेडी है अपने
नहीं सर, मेरी गुजारिश है,
तो
हमें
क्या
इलेक्शन
चाह रहे हैं?
कमीशन ने इंडिपेंडेंट डिक्लेयर कर
नहीं
दिया
आपको
था।
नहीं किया, सॉरी आपको नहीं किया, पिटिशनर की बात हो रही है।
सर, हम ओवरऑल अब बात कर रहे हैं
की बात ना करें, पिटिशनर की बात हो रही
इस पिटिशनर की बात सिर्फ ना करें. The petitioner is here in a representative capacity to get
no.
the constitution interpreted. It's very clear. Any voter can come and have the constitution interpreted. She is standing here for the rights of the electorate. The electorate, नहीं सर, इस अपने individual right के
पिटिशन
लिए.
में पढ़ रहा हूँ, आपकी पिटिशन
Sir, petition is ultimately for the constitution
आप
to be
पिटिशन में
implemented.
आप पिटिशन में ये कह रहे हैं कि आपको या पीटीआई का
Nothing.
रिजर्व सीट का कैंडिडेट तस्वर किया जाए या
तो
दूसरी
मुझे
पार्टी।
जरा ये पढ़ने दें, 5 मिनट मुझे दे दें सिर्फ, and I'll be done. Kindly see मेरा जो नोट
इस
मैंने
मतलब आप सवाल नहीं सुनना चाहते ना जवाब देना
सर, मैंने सुन
आप
लिया।
चलें जिस तरह आप चाहते हैं आदमी करें।
Sir, I've tried to respond to this question again and again.
जैसे आप चाहें आदमी करें।
I'm very grateful, sir, and my apologies. Sir, I have
आप
said.
चाहते हैं कि मैं कुछ ना नोट करूं।
नहीं सर, नहीं, हमने ये कहा है.
जवाब नहीं दे रहे हैं।
सर, मैं दे रहा हूँ. My apologies, sir. My position is this. Since in law I was treated as an independent, I have acted.
You're not independent.
So I say me, I'm
Your
not.
petitioner, your petitioner, one petitioner, she is
Yes.
candidate of reserve seat. आप
Yes,
उनकी बात
yes,
कर रहे हैं।
yes, yes.
आप कैसे दूसरों की बात कर रहे हैं?
Sir, मैं आइन की बात तो कर सकता हूँ ना. I have to assist in the interpretation of the Constitution. It's not just a personal grievance, it is the interpretation of the Constitution. So I may not be restricted to just my individual situation.
फिर आप
I'm helping.
एडिशन में आप ये कहें कि ये मेरा
जी,
क्लेम है,
जी।
एडिशन में आप ये करना चाहते हैं।
जी, मैं वही कर रहा हूँ. So आप आइन को इंटरप्रेट करेंगे तो मेरा जो भी कोई राइट बनता है आप मुझे देंगे. So I am trying to assist in the interpretation of the constitutional scheme. And my submission is, had I not been declared independent, there would have been no problem. As PTI, we already had a list filed. I would have been elected and I would have had the benefit of the list filed with additional names given, which the law allows me to give. But because I was treated as an independent, the situation has arisen, as my Lord Justice Athar Manilla is pointing out. Now, my Lord, coming to the principles involved in this, the principles will determine the interpretation of 51(6)(d) and E. And these principles, I have very quickly stated, I'll spend no time at all. Kindly see page 4 of my note. Page 4 of my note, and I'll just rush through. This will take no time at all. I have referred to the case of Mian Nawaz Sharif versus President, PLD 93, Supreme Court 473, paragraph 17, page 674. In this paper book, it is at page 3, where they have said that representative form of government, exercise of the sovereignty vested by the Almighty in the people through chosen representatives, is a cardinal central feature of the Constitution, and all constitutional principles converge at this point, that representativeness is the heart, is the foundation of our constitutional scheme. So all constitutional provisions should be interpreted keeping this in view. I've placed that, page 674, page 3 of this paper book. So representative nature of our assembly is the guiding principle when interpreting any provision. Then I go on to the landmark judgment in the case of Tahir Sadiq versus Faisal Ali. This is 2024 SCMR 775, judgment by my Lord Justice Mansoor Ali Shah. And I very quickly point to pages 8 and 9 in this paper book, where again your lordships have held that the entire purpose of the Constitution is to create representative government. The very first 4 lines at page 8. In this democratic process, individuals exercise their right to vote, contributing to the formation of a representative government. And then this goes on over the next 2 pages to say this lies at the heart of the constitutional order. And therefore, whatever we do, this is the principle that we must be promoting. Then I similarly, in my note, I won't read, before your lordships is the case of District Bar Association Rawalpindi, PLD 2015, Supreme Court 401. At page 683 in this paper book, in particular at pages 12, 14 and 15, 14 pe agar nazar marne, your lordships will see, they have described democracy and the representative nature of our constitution as a salient feature, and they've also pointed to the principles of interpretation which must be applied when interpreting the constitution. This is at page 14, kindly see, an entire body of case law is referred to in order to derive the principle. Kindly see Page 14, the first full paragraph that starts with 33, the Constitution being a living organ for all times is to be interpreted dynamically as a whole to give harmonious meaning to every article of the Constitution. And then they refer to a long list of cases, and then they go to tribe and Dorf and language from other jurisdictions, which has been adopted by our Supreme Court in PLD 2011, Supreme Court 407. And they say these are the principles which must apply to the interpretation of the Constitution. On the next page, page 15, again, I'll not read. They reiterate that the Objectives Resolution and the representativeness that is envisaged by the Objectives Resolution must be the basis for our interpretive efforts. Paragraph 60 and 61 again call the democratic parliamentary form of government to be a salient feature of the Constitution for the purposes of interpretation of any provision of the Constitution.
Do we not need precedent for that?
Well, sometimes we say a literalist reading should be done, rules are very clear. No, every rule is embedded in a constitutional framework of principles, purposes, and machinery provisions. So all these principles, purposes, and outcomes have to be interpreted wherever possible to further that principle. The interpretation which denies these 86 any weight in the women's seats or the minority seats will make Parliament unrepresentative. So any interpretation that leads to Parliament being unrepresentative is to be avoided.
I don't think the only thing which will happen would be
My
that
lord.
there won't be your
No, my lord, it will be
women candidates
unrepresentative.
or your non-Muslim candidates.
No,
That's the only difference.
there will be candidates of parties that will be given seats in excess of the proportion that they hold in Parliament. Let me move on, sir. Mahmood Khan Achakzai's case, this is 97 Supreme Court 426, and I in particular refer to paragraph 56, 479 to 480.
You didn't join his party.
Gee, in this paper book, it is pages 17, 19,
You
and
didn't
20.
join his party.
My lord, I will consider that. Kindly see at page 20,
पूछ रहा हूँ।
the third line,
तो वो
salient
तो उन्हें इलेक्शन लड़ा था उसमें
My lord,
party join
salient
कर लेते हो।
features and basic characteristics of the Objectives Resolution are federalism, parliamentary democracy, and Islamic provisions. This is page 20 of this paper book. Then I very quickly go to Workers' Party. This is PLD 2012, Supreme Court 681. And here in this paper book, paragraph 37 at pages 22, 24, 25, which says that representativeness of the people is again at the heart of the constitutional order. Governance must be based on the principle of representation. Then on the next page, page 5, kindly see.
Workers' Party
I've-
case also says that Election Commission of Pakistan, which every day we keep deriding.
Yes, my lord.
No, yes. No, there is sun to lena.
Ji.
It's become fashionable to deride the constitutional offices.
Yes.
I think we can certainly set aside their orders, but we should never deride a constitutional body.
My lord.
Please wait.
Ji.
I think,
My lord.
क्या अब आपको मैं कहूँ भाभी को बुलाना होगा शायद
No, my lord, I'm trying to rush it. I'm conscious of the
भाभी आपको रश मेरी बात करते हैं तो फिर आप रश पे ना
No, my
सलमान साहब वो जो
एक सेकंड तो ये वर्कर्स पार्टी केस ये भी कहता है कि जी इलेक्शन का कराने का काम सारे चीजें इलेक्शन के मुतालिक इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान का है इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान को हमने नहीं अपॉइंट किया है आपने अपॉइंट किया है ठीक है नहीं
सब गलतियां भी करते हैं ना।
गलतियां की ना कभी कभी गलतियां करके भुगतना
आप ठीक
पड़ती
करेंगे
है
ना।
जैसे कि आपने गलती की ये वाली
सर मेरी
जैसे कि
गलती और
दूसरी
इलेक्शन
गलतियां
कमीशन की गलती में जमीन आसमान का फर्क।
आप सब चीजें हमारे आपकी गलतियां फिर इसका सोल्यूशन हम ढूंढने आपकी
ये अवाम के हक है ना, ये हक सलमान
अवाम
अकबर
हमारे
राजा या
सामने
कमल शौजब का
हमारे
नहीं
सामने
है।
कोई अवाम का नुमाइंदा
सर
नहीं
ये अवाम ही का हक है जो
अवाम ने
आइन-
अवाम ने
खुश
आपको
हैं।
चुना, आपको चुना अवाम ने कि उनके
हम
मसाइल
खुश घर पे बैठे
सर मुझे तो नहीं चुना ना, मुझे तो नहीं चुनने दिया गया।
यार आप सियासत शुरू कर
सर
देते
मैं
हैं
तो नहीं कह रहा चुना, मेरी गुजारिश सुनना
राजा साहब सिर्फ
Sir, we
ये
are-
बता दें what should be this court's approach because we have a history.
जी
2018 there was one political party that was under the clouds. I'm आपकी expression use कर.
जी एब्सोल्युटली।
This time there's another political party which is perceived to be under the clouds.
Sir, I'll end
What
with
should
this.
be the approach
I
of
will
this court?
end by answering this question. Page 102 पे
जस्ट ऑन अ लाइटर नोट वो सिटी स्कैन कराने जाते हैं ना गोली खिलाते हैं
जी।
बंदा रिलैक्स कर जाता है ना जरा
मुझे ये डर है कि आप
हार्ट
रोक
बीट भी
देंगे।
स्लो हो जाती है सब कुछ है तो वो ट्राई करें नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हेन यू आर
नहीं, अगर मुझे आप रोकते नहीं तो मैं
ऑन अ लाइटर साइड
I'm
चले आप प्लीज
I'm
बताइए
much enlightened and I'm feeling lighter.
आप एग्री कर रहे हैं जस्टिस थर्मिंगला साहब से?
मैं उस पे एंड में आऊंगा। सर मुझे 1 मिनट आने दें। पेज 102 पे जनाब देखिए, वर्कर्स पार्टी पार्टी ही की जजमेंट मैंने 2 दफा इस पेपर बुक में रखी है, पहली बार फॉर दैट प्रिंसिपल, फॉर द सेकंड टाइम इन ऑर्डर टू पॉइंट टू व्हाट दिस कोर्ट हैज सेड अबाउट द इलेक्शन कमीशन. पेज 102 पे है पैराग्राफ 44. इसमें अगर इफ वी गो फ्रॉम द फुट ऑफ द पेज अबाउट 8 lines in the past, ये प्लासिटम W के फौरन साथ ये देखिए, middle of the sentence, in the past, are my lords, my lady with me?
Yes.
In the past, the Election Commission has succumbed to external influence and failed to discharge its responsibilities successfully. The inadequacy of the Commission's effort in organizing and conducting the election to the above standards has had detrimental repercussions for the democratic system in Pakistan. Not only has it undermined the legitimacy of the elections and the claim of the winning party to form government, but has also, by disregarding express constitutional dictates regulating the same, devastated the trust and faith reposed by the citizenry in the rule of law and supremacy of the Constitution. I leave it at that.
इसका मतलब ये है कि सिलसिला चलता आ रहा है.
नहीं सर, चलता आ रहा है, आपने ठीक करना है इसको.
सुन ले, हमने नहीं, सॉरी हमने नहीं. क्या पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज ये तय नहीं करेंगी कि आपस में बैठ के हमेशा के लिए इसको खत्म कर दें कि आज मेरे लिए इस्तेमाल हो, कल दूसरे के लिए होती है?
एक जुमला आप उधर से और पढ़ लें वर्कर्स पार्टी के जजमेंट से.
जी जी.
And I quote, the law therefore entrusts the election commission
Yes.
with exclusive,
Power.
broad and extensive powers
ठीक
to
हो.
attend to all issues related directly and ancillary to election process.
मैं भी इस पे रिलाई करूंगा.
आप इस तरह करेंगे,
अभी
आप
आप देखिए, मैं
तो you've been deriding the
No, sir,
election
I'm not
tribunal.
deriding the election. देखिए, election commission is what it is. It is not generally under the sway of one political party or the other. The reality that my Lord Justice Manilla is pointing to, they do things not because political parties urge them to do things. It happens, and we know what happens. So let me not get into that. So kindly see, I have taken
Sorry,
your Lord.
what don't you want to get into? You say things and you don't want to get
Yes,
into.
sir,
You don't
things-
say things or get into them.
But the question was, or the observation was, why don't political parties get together and put the election commission right? And I bow, of course.
No,
to
no, no,
political
hang on,
parties.
please, don't say these things. Don't, again, you're deriding the election commission.
I'm not deriding,
Put it
sir.
right. What does this mean even? No, sorry, I will not accept this.
Listen,
You find some fault with the election commission, file a petition clearly stating so. Or go to the legislature, change the law.
ठीक है, sir.
So, but don't, it's a constitutional body. Suppose वहां चल के वो कहेंगे जी सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऊट-पटांग जजमेंट करती है, would you like it?
Sir, no, sir, not at all.
नहीं, sorry to say, they are deserving of respect.
Yes, my lord, and
They
your
can
lordship,
finally
sir,
find the judgment is wrong, we can set it aside.
And
But
your
to put
lordship-
it right, what do we need putting it right to?
my lord, at page 102, what
आप
I
उसको,
read,
you don't let anything grow in Pakistan.
My lord,
That's the problem.
my lord, we can discuss this elsewhere.
I want respect. I will not tolerate disrespect of Parliament.
Let me
I will
move on.
not tolerate, please, I will not accept disrespect of the Election Commission of Pakistan. It's another constitutional body. This goes to every constitution body. Similarly, we expect to be treated with respect as well.
My lord, I've only read a passage from your lordship's judgment, that's all. Let me move on now to page 5 of my note, very quickly, the two Benazir Bhutto cases. Landmarks both, the 88 Supreme Court 416
ये अभी
judgment.
पढ़ने में उसकी relevance बताएं.
की relevance ये है-
Connect तो करें अपने केस
Sir,
से.
ये इसलिए है relevant कि this is all saying, going towards the point that political parties are the repositories of rights under Article 17.2. Our Article 17.2 is almost unique. It expressly talks about political parties.